Top 10 foods that can heal your fatty liver. You don't drink alcohol. You think you're healthy. And yet, your liver might already be silently getting damaged. And the worst part? You feel nothing. Today, you'll discover what fatty liver really is, why it happens, and most importantly, 10 foods that can help your liver heal. What is fatty liver? Fatty liver, also called hepatic steatosis, is when fat builds up inside your liver. A little fat is normal, but when there's too much, your liver starts to malfunction. And the most dangerous part, you can lose liver function without any symptoms. Why it happens? It's not just alcohol. Today, the main cause is your diet. Too much sugar, too many processed foods. Your body turns that excess into fat, and that fat builds up in your liver. Slowly, your liver becomes overloaded. Consequences. At first, nothing. Then, inflammation, scarring, cirrhosis, cancer. And that's not all. Fatty liver also increases the risk of diabetes and heart disease. But now, listen carefully. Your liver can heal, and some foods can truly help. Top 10 foods that can heal your fatty liver. Berries. They contain anthocyanins and vitamin C, which are powerful antioxidants. An antioxidant is a molecule that protects the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules generated by stress, diet, or pollution. Fatty liver produces a large amount of free radicals, molecules that damage liver cells. The anthocyanins found in berries neutralize these free radicals like a shield, preventing inflammation from worsening and limiting the progression of fatty liver to fibrosis. Coffee contains caffeine, chlorogenic acids, and diterpenes. Chlorogenic acids block a key enzyme, TGF-beta, responsible for scar formation in the liver. Caffeine reduces fat accumulation in liver cells by activating a protein that promotes fat burning. Studies show that drinking 2 to 3 cups of coffee per day significantly reduces the risk of cirrhosis. Green vegetables, spinach, broccoli, cabbage. They contain chlorophyll, natural nitrates, sulforaphane, and folates, vitamin B9. Sulforaphane activates a protein that triggers the liver's natural antioxidant defenses. Nitrates improve blood circulation in the liver. Folates help transport fats out of the liver instead of allowing them to accumulate. Fatty fish salmon, sardines, mackerel. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s increase fat burning and reduce fat storage. They also reduce liver inflammation. This is one of the most effective foods against fatty liver. Olive oil. It contains monounsaturated fatty acids, oleic acid, omega-9, and oleocanthal. Oleic acid improves insulin sensitivity, which is crucial because fatty liver is often linked to insulin resistance. When cells respond better to insulin, the liver receives fewer signals to produce and store fat. Oleocanthal acts as an anti-inflammatory, similar to ibuprofen, but without side effects. Avocado. It contains monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, glutathione, a powerful antioxidant, and phytosterols. Glutathione is the most important antioxidant naturally produced by the liver, but it is depleted in fatty liver. Avocado helps restore these levels. Vitamin E protects liver cell membranes from oxidative damage. Phytosterols reduce fat absorption in the digestive system, easing the liver's workload. Green tea. It contains catechins, especially EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, the most studied active compound. EGCG activates an enzyme that stimulates the breakdown of stored fat in the liver and reduces its synthesis. It also inhibits an enzyme responsible for producing fat in the liver. Studies show a reduction in liver enzymes with regular consumption. Garlic. It contains allicin, released when garlic is crushed, S-allylcysteine, and selenium. Allicin activates detoxification enzymes in the liver that neutralize toxins and harmful substances. S-allele. Cysteine protects liver cells from damage and reduces inflammation. Selenium contributes to the liver's antioxidant defense. Nuts. Especially walnuts. They contain omega-3, alpha-linolenic acid, vitamin E, polyphenols, and arginine, an amino acid. Arginine helps the liver neutralize ammonia, a toxic waste product. Polyphenols in nuts reduce oxidative stress in the liver. A clinical study showed that eating a handful of nuts daily for 6 months reduces liver enzymes and improves fatty liver markers. Fiber apples, legumes, oats. They contain soluble fibers, pectin, beta-glucan, inulin, that form a gel in the intestine. Soluble fibers feed the gut microbiota, good bacteria, which then produce short-chain fatty acids, butyrate, propionate. These molecules travel to the liver via the portal vein and directly reduce liver fat production. Additionally, fiber slows sugar absorption, preventing insulin spikes, one of the main causes of fatty liver. Your liver works for you every second, but when it fails, everything collapses. Take care of it now. Share this video, subscribe. You might save a life.